Volley ball central. Oh, sige, let's... What are we looking at here? Oh, the reaction from the bench. Sporting new shorts today, the Ateneo Lady Eagles enjoying. What a point. Eh, may halong swerte. Yun yung prep squad naman ng Babol.
Wow, in full force today.
They don't see themselves because they're right actually parallel to the screen, so they don't realize the wide screen that we have here in the arena, so they didn't realize that they were on.
Hindi sila camera conscious.
Magtalas with the reverse set. Liza Valdez is back.
I'm sure Nakashi will be enjoying that play for quite a time.
Kalituhan. Si Valdez at si Ferrer. Oh, that's way out. Las Marias, too much muscle behind that serve. So this one getting away from UP now.
Yes,
17 serving 8.
Liza Valdez for Ateneo.
Nice serve.
Yung kanyang trademark, ano, floater. Gretchen was asking for it, but it was a little low.
That's right. That ball not going over, hitting the tape. And Jem Ferrer quickly calls her over.
Tianzon is back. She will serve again. For the UP Lady Maroons, who are 0-5, Ateneo is 3-1 earlier. UST winning over National University in straight sets, so they are at 4-2 behind the 6-0 DLSU Lady Spikers. Another low set. They open to Araneta. Point for UP here.
That's a nice set for Araneta.
Yes.
Remember, she has the height advantage against the blockers of Ateneo, so she doesn't mind having that ball set a bit closer to the net because she can always hit it over the block.
Tianzon now, second straight serve.
Ganda ng serve.
Kaya nga siya pinasok. Kita mo na over-receive. So free ball for UP. Araneta through the block again. And Tianzon starts it off with 2 good serves. She comes in just for that.
Yes. Araneta, back-to-back points. This time, it's through the block.
It's Ludi Ann. Another good serve. Walang ka-spin-spin, ano? Patay. Kaya lang, patay din. Galing kay Phil. Down the line naman this time. For Phil St. Panglet. Look at this. The setup, the approach, and the put away.
Ganda.
Yeah.
Phil seems to be, you know, she's stepping up her game.
Yes.
And
Yung off-season, malaki nakita ko sa kanya talaga. Yan, marami nang nakapansin.
that's true. Sa consistency.
Oo. Ferrer! Yun yung sinasabi mo, makakaisa-isa yan ng ganyan.
That's right. And sinasabi niya kay Gretchen, pagbigyan mo naman ako. Kanina ka pa, ako naman, ikaw sisingit ko. But that point, again, as a setter, because I was a setter myself, ang sarap noon kasi you don't get that chance eh, makaisa.
Meron kang regalo, no?
Oo, makaisa ka lang. Maaalala mo na yun eh. Oh, nice
serve. Z, she went to the jump serve on that one.
And you can hear the ooze of the crowd after that serve.
Araneta. Oh, and again, a great pickup by Lazaro. Over-receive. Oh, sabi ni Gretchen, eto naman yung sa akin. Kanina ikaw. Ako naman. Everybody happy.
Everybody happy.
UP though, not happy right now, behind by 9. 11
Again,
to 20.
this is what happened in the first set.
Yeah. Second set was the more competitive one where they were really leading. Let's see, we'll go to the jump serve again as they have the luxury of the lead.
Nice.
Las Marias handling that. Free ball for UP. What do? They send it back and wide.
Much to the right.
Palad was again fading back. He didn't have the proper approach to the ball. She was underneath the ball. So
couple of substitutions coming in here for UP, but not before the serve. Pumito na ang referee. So Z will take this one. The Batangueña. Z Hervasio. Di umabot. Former standout of St. Scholastica's College.
konting-konti na lang. Se coming back in to replace Palad.
See the spin on the ball though.
Once she gets that jump serve going, it's so hard to stop. But again, the
And it's prone to error.
Oh, yun nga, yung pagiging inconsistent ng serve na yun. Good thing she has a backup serve.
Great block there by Araneta on the running of Gretchen. And look at this, Phil just
Speed shot.
picking her spots here. She saw the opening and
That's
she
true.
knew Araneta was backtracking. Mahirap na bumalik.
That's true. Ito, pitik lang ng kamay
Correct.
to eh. Wrist lang to eh. She was facing that way and look at that. That,
Soft.
you know, soft touch.
Deft.
Oo, ang hirap-hirap gawin. And look at the blockers really just look over. That ball's not going our way.
Beatan now has entered the fray for for Ateneo. As they look to close this out, 22-12. Magtalas back to Araneta. Over the block. Z sends it back. Ferrer gives them a free ball, talking about UP. Said, mistimed again.
Nice block by Tan.
Malamya eh.
Tan gets credited for that block. Humabol na lang, but he's there for that push out.
Service. Hall. That hits the antenna. Lady Eagle.
Set was
now.
really far out.
Which brings us to match point in
Ramos hitting the antenna. I think UP really has to...
Hall.
they don't want to end up, you know, the first round having no wins or
Yes.
even the entire season. So they want to get at least 3, sabi ko nga, dahil yun yung record nila last season. So they have to work double time during this Christmas break.
Coach Roger wins this one in straight sets, and we'll look forward to a very tough match against the streaking FEU Lady Tamaraos, who won their first 2, dropped their next 2, but are now looking good against Adamson yesterday. 25-13, 25-21, 25-12. Back to wrap this baby up.